welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. It's really hot today. I've just taken Rudy out for a walk, so excuse the fact that I look a little bit dishevelled. And I've made myself a little ice water here, a little ice and a slice. Well, it's actually just slice now, the ice is melted, but definitely needed on today because we've had some random heat from somewhere just as we're all getting ready for autumn. It's turned back into summer, which I'm not complaining about. Always puts me in a good mood when the sun's out, even though I do love getting cozy for autumn. Definitely feel like I can get loads done when the sun's out. Don't know why, just makes me more enthusiastic, obviously, to take the dog out, to go and do things in the garden. So yeah, I'm enjoying the sunshine. And I was very lucky to be treated to a little trip to Poundland. Peter took me. Best day out ever. And yeah, I got loads of things, so I will jump straight into the video and show you everything that I got from Poundland. So I got loads of things, probably spent about £50. It really mounts up. I went in there thinking it's not that much I want, or I didn't think that I'd seen much, but Peter put loads of stuff in as well, so I'll just kind of skim through some of the things that Peter put in because they're really boring. Well, they are to me. But yeah, I'll just pull things out and see what we've got because I can't remember. It's been living in this bag for the last few days, so... Oh, first one, exciting, car shampoo. So, yeah, big old bottle of car shampoo. Streak free, use 2 ways and shine protect. I mean, this just has no interest to me whatsoever. The car is not my area. But yeah, Peter obviously got a few bits for the car. So, car shampoo. It's actually leaking as well, I think. Never mind. Oh, these look really good. Hang on. Digging out my big bag. I spotted these and I got 2 of them. I've got a parcel. It's that awkward thing, isn't it, of knowing when to go to the door and not look like a bit of a weirdo waiting by the door before they knock on it. I always do this. Here we go. Back. Got my parcel. Okay. Anyway, that's from ASOS. ASOS is so good, aren't they? The next day delivery. I know it's next day delivery, but I literally ordered some foundation last night at God knows what time. It's already here. Brilliant. Anyway, back to the haul. I picked up these chalk paint sprays. These were £2 each. Now, I don't know whether they're going to be any good or not. I'm really hoping that they're going to be good. I got them in chalk white. I'm just like craft mad at the minute, and I love chalk paint. I love spray paints. They're normally really expensive, so I've got like a Rust-Oleum one. I think that is the brand. That was around £8, I think. They're not cheap at all, and they obviously don't last very long either. So I'm really hoping that these are going to be good. So this is a Smooth Touch flat matte finish, and I got 2 of those. But yeah, £2 each, and they did have a few other colours, but if they'd have had like grey or silver or something, then I would have got colours like that. I can't remember, but white was the most appealing one, so I'm looking forward to trying them out, hoping they're going to be good, hoping I can upcycle a few things and it, you know, turns out okay. So watch this space. Massive pack of batteries that have already been opened. The kids are always asking for more batteries, so I mean, they're rubbish ones. I don't think they're going to last very long. Dylan put some in his games controller and they've already run out. But yeah, a huge pack of these, 30 packs. Where's my receipt? How much were these? Hold on. So they were £2 and you get 30 batteries in there. So yeah, pretty good price. I just don't think they're going to last like for ages, but not a lot else I can say about these. What else have we got? I got some spoons. I got 3 pack of wooden spoons because I don't have any. I had 1 wooden spoon, now I have none, and I saw these, and yeah, it is a 3 pack of spoons for £1. And then we also got 2 packs of these Colgate 3 packs of toothbrushes for £1 each. Also picked up some Fabulosa, the one that does everything, so the all-in-one disinfectant spray. I just love these. I have become such a Fabulosa fan, much prefer it than I can't even remember it, Zoflora. No, I do still like Zoflora, but this is just, I just love all the sprays. That's so lemony. So that for spraying all over everything. I think Peter actually put that in for the car, but it's gonna stay in the house probably. So I got some of that, and that costs, how much is that in Poundland? £2. That is proper. So that's in the scent lemon sherbet. That smells so much like lemon sherbet. Some other boring things that Peter put in. Some deodorant, Stay Cool body spray in the scent Samba. That was £1. He put in this little body scrub thing that's got like these little, I don't know what that bit's for. Exfoliating, I suppose. This was also £1. And some links for £1. It's always worth getting this kind of stuff from places like Poundland because it is normally a little bit cheaper. So he's just got that and some Sports Blast 3-in-1. Isn't it crazy how men can just do everything with one product? Body, hair and face wash. What else did he buy? Oh, he also bought some clay. Clay for men for a textured and choppy style, medium hold. So there we go, see what that's like for £1. Don't know whether that's going to be any good or not. So on the theme of me saying that I'm doing like loads of crafty stuff, I also saw this. They had a lot of cute little craft things in the Poundland I was in actually. So this is a glue pen. I'm going to take it out the packet actually and see what it's like. I don't know whether it just is like a little glue dot or whether it's like a brush. Oh okay, so it's like a pen. It's not like a brush or anything. I wasn't sure how it would come out. So you just brush along and it'll stick things down. That's going to be handy. The kids always have things that need sticking as well. So I got one of them. Oh no! I got one of these because I collect these little nice fancy pens. But I've just realised the diamond's not in it anymore. Oh, hang on. Okay, it can be saved. There we go. I got one of them. Little pink pen. I always need a pen. I'm always losing pens. So I thought that was cute. I thought that was a nice little pretty thing for £1. And they can be a lot more expensive than that. Don't know if it works. It does, it works. So there we go. One of those was £1. Like I said, I love the stationery in there. I just need to like stop buying notepads and things because I don't need any more. But little pen for my pen pot. Perfect. I also picked up this wedding sign. So this was only £1. I don't want it for the fact that it says wedding on it. I plan to take the string off probably and then paint it. And then I'm not sure what else I'm going to do with it, but boys have like arrows and things in their bedroom. So I thought it'd be quite a nice thing that I could do to put on their shelf. But obviously, like I say, I don't want it to say wedding, but I just thought that would be a nice little upcycle project as well. So I'll have to see what I think to do with this. But yeah, I'm thinking of painting it a nice grey colour or something, and then I could put, I don't know, I could write on something different like play or I don't know, or the kids' names or something. So yeah, I just thought that was a really good little bargain for £1. How cute are these? I thought for like when me and Peter have something that's not for everyone, like when the kids don't want it, say if we're gonna have like, I don't know, like some sort of chicken dish or something, or I can do like mini lasagnas for us both. Or I thought they'd be quite good for baked oats. I don't have anything this size, so I just thought like this is something that I need, and I thought they were a nice little sort of muted grey colour. I just thought they were really cute. So yeah, I'm gonna probably make like little, I can make little crumbles, little pies, little mini lasagnas, just like individual portion. That's quite a big portion. No, that's probably about right actually. But yeah, I picked two of them up for £1 each. They had some different colours as well. I tell a lie, they're not £1 each, they were £2 each. I've just checked the receipt. Still, I'm still happy with that price. I think they're still a good little bargain. So £2 each for them. We've got some of these Dettol multi-purpose cleaning wipes. I didn't pick these up actually, Peter's put these in. I don't really use the wipes anymore. I try to obviously not use these that aren't the best for the environment, but I think he's put them in and is thinking of doing the car. He obviously had it in his mind about cleaning the car out a lot whilst we were going around Poundland, because there is a lot of car related items where he's not one to normally put cleaning products in a trolley, believe me. So I think he has picked these up in mind of the car to keep them in there. So those Dettol multi-purpose cleaning wipes, you get 30 wipes in there. Picked up a dustpan and brush for £1 because why not? Didn't have one, so I needed to get one of these. I also picked up these. I always love getting little things like this when I go to Poundland or anywhere like that, to be honest, because they're always so inexpensive. Obviously you get 2 frames in here in the 4x6 size, and they are just £1 for a pack of 2, and they had other colours as well. I nearly picked up the grey ones, but I already have some grey ones upstairs. I just love filling out the boys' shelves. I know I keep going on about their shelves, but they're quite big, and I've been trying to find gradually little pretty things to put on them. So I'm going to find some nice cute little quote or print to put in these frames and put them on their shelves, and I just thought they were a good little buy. I also picked up some of this, which I have not seen before. So they had a few different Ajax sort of products in there. So they had like multi-purpose one, one's for bathrooms specifically and for kitchen specifically, but I just got the multi-purpose one. I just love to try a new cleaning product, so I thought I'd give it a go. I have used the Ajax stuff before, but I've never seen these sprays, so I don't know what it's like, if it's any good, but it's just mainly for the fact that if there's a new brand or cleaning product, then I just like to give it a go. So I will have to let you know what that's like. It smells really nice, it smells really tropical. I also picked up some Harpic toilet cleaner because, again, this is one thing that's just always gonna get bought when I go into Poundland or Home Bargains or anywhere like that. So this is in the Ocean Fresh scent, and it was again £1. And for Rudy, we got some of these Baker's treats. He loves these, honestly he does, and because he's only little, they're really good size, they're like huge, so we always break them up. So this is bacon and cheese flavour. I try to give him these like when we come back from a walk, because he doesn't like going for walks that much, so little reward when he comes back. So I need to train him a little bit better, to be honest, as well, so I could do with some little treats for him. These are the Baker's Whirlers, and they are bacon and cheese flavour, and he is obsessed. I'm surprised he hasn't appeared, actually, because even just making that slight noise, he normally knows that it's something for him. So there we go. Obviously, he can only have 2 pieces a day, which he doesn't. He only has like 1 because he's only a teeny weeny dog. So I got 2 bags of these. Another thing that I got, which I thought was an absolute bargain, was I got a few of these big black storage boxes that have got a lid on them. They're only £2, and I just thought it's a bargain. So I've got a lot of kitchen stuff in it at the minute, and kid shoes and stuff, because everything is just everywhere. I'm literally surrounded by stuff. You can't see it, but it is just a nightmare with the whole kitchen situation at the minute. Until all of that is in, I don't have a lot of places to put things, but I do need a lot of these sorts of things. I should have bought some more, but for £2 I just thought that was so much cheaper than like where I've seen storage boxes in other shops. So I got 2 of those. And then lastly, I just picked up this for Rudy. It is a little blanket. I was a bit disappointed, actually, because when I saw it, I thought that it was going to be like a snood for him, because he is a dachshund and he loves to burrow under covers, and he likes to be inside your jumper. He just loves to be covered up. So I was really hoping that it was going to be like a tube sort of, I mean, I suppose I could make it that way, but like a little tube style thing, because even like he'll get inside. Peter left his shorts on the bed, and he'll get inside the leg and just like get in it like it's a sleeping bag. So I was kind of hoping it would be a bit like a sleeping bag, but it isn't. But it's a blanket, which he will love. He just loves anything soft. If I leave a throw anywhere or a jumper, then he is straight in it, or he'll get under the covers. He just loves it. So I picked that up for £1 as well. So guys, that is everything that I picked up in my Poundland haul. Lots of essentials in this shop. There wasn't as much like home stuff when I went this time, which was a bit gutted about, because sometimes there's some really like cheap, nice home stuff, like when I got the candle holders last time, but they didn't have that much of that kind of stuff. So I just got a lot of essentials. Still managed to spend £50, so they obviously had some things that I needed. We bought a lot of snacks as well, which I can't show you because they've been eaten. So, well, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And I will see you again for my next one. Bye everyone.